Hi there, Wally here. In this video, this will be a little bit different. I'm gonna show you some analysis that I'm working on using Tableau. Tableau is a nice feature that can help you to drill down the information that you have. Any data set can be like a CSV file, can be a database, Microsoft Postgres. So yeah, this is pretty impressive. I'm working on a project and this project is pretty nice. So let me show you how to apply some filters, how this looks like. I hope you enjoy. So let's go to the video. Okay, to start, you can find Tableau. Tableau is a software that you can pay for the license, but we like to use for free, at least to learn and to see how this works, this kind of stuff. With that said, you can open your Google or any engine that you have to looking for in the internet. You can type Tableau public. And basically the first link will be Tableau public. Let's open this link. In this page you can see a lot of information. Again, Tableau is very powerful. You can do a lot of things. From now, let's click on search. And here you can just type my name. I'll keep in the description the link for the analysis I'm going to present here, but you can definitely do that. Okay, you can see my name, Valdir Manhães Pinheiro, the three of them. Let's use this one. I will use Foreman or TheForeman as a reference. Great, we open this page. Valdir, what next? The first thing that you have to do, this is my recommendation, is click on this guy here. See this in full screen. And why is that? Because this will give you a better experience. This will be in full screen and then you can see like the whole information much better, okay? Let me bump a little bit the size. That's it. So if you have an idea about the Foreman, that's amazing. If you have no idea about the Foreman, let me get out from this and let me show you real quick. GitHub, the Foreman. This is the upstream project called TheForeman. In Red Hat, we sell a product called Red Hat Satellite, and Satellite came from the upstream, and the upstream is TheForeman. In the TheForeman organization, you can click on repositories, and you can see that we have a number of 222 repositories. Basically, each of them is responsible for one thing. So, for instance, we have Foreman documentation, responsible for documentation, Hammer CLI, Foreman Azure, Foreman packaging, forklift, Foreman JS, so a lot of things, okay? Each component is one repository, and for each repository, if we take a look, we can see all the issues, pull requests, we can see the code responsible for that one, and we have a lot of stuff here, a lot of good stuff. So what I would like to see is some additional information about the committers. Like anytime that you create a change, you are helping, you are contributing with that code or that repository. You create a pull request. This pull request will land in this page. And once this is accepted, this will be merged to your code. And then we can see here some information that was merged by this specific person, this kind of stuff, okay? We'll not go deep on this one right now because the focus here should be on Tableau. So let's come back to Tableau. Let's click on full screen. And here we are. At this moment, we can see this one. I have all and Tableau and TheForeman. Basically, we combine those. TheForeman is the main project. There is another organization called Tableau. This is a plugin that will enrich TheForeman and will allow TheForeman to do a lot of additional things. So at this moment, we can tell for sure the number of repos for those are 256 repos, and the number of committers that are helping on those projects is 3,137. Okay, so if you pick one or pick another one, you can see those numbers will change. Eventually you see some different numbers. I'll keep to later, but yeah, there is a reason, okay? But the difference will be not too high. Let's take a look on the first one. Okay, in this one, we have here the organization, Tableau and TheForeman. I'm filtering out fog and redmine. There is another repository called redmine. I'm filtering them out at this moment, but here we can see like Catello is 20,552 pull requests merged to the project up to now. Okay, and then Foreman we have 10,494. If I like to see only the repositories for Catello, I can exclude the Foreman from here, and then there you go. Only the Catello repositories will be presented. In the same way, if I would like to present only the Foreman, there you go. I can select only the Foreman, and then now I'm able to see only some set of repositories. If I like to filter this more, because I'm aware of some repositories, I can remove the selection from all, and then I can type something like Foreman. So let's say I like to see Foreman, Foreman content, and Foreman data center. Then there you go. I have only that three subsets of information, then I can drill down, okay? Anytime in Tableau, this is also another nice feature. You can see that I selected only 3 projects, okay? If I return to the main page, you can see that now the number of repos and committers are different. So Tableau is nice because I can also do this. I can create a filter that will affect the whole project, or I can create a filter that will affect only that specific page or that specific dashboard. So in this case, in this project, I'm affecting everything. So if I create a filter in one of the dashboards that we have here, these will reflect to all those dashboards or the whole project. Odero, how can I be sure if there is a filter somewhere that is not giving me the wrong information? Definitely you can do that, or you can avoid that. There is this button here called Reset View. You can click on Reset View, and this will return to the original state. So anytime that you open this project or this analysis, there is a set of information that is selected, and that's it. This is the standard. So if you like to remove all the filters or return to the original state, there you go. Anytime you can click on this button. Awesome. Let's go to this one. This personally is the one that I'm in love. And now let me remove my face pretty fast. Then you'll be able to see the whole information. Again, we are able to see in this area both organizations. We have the top contributors. I have here the top 10 or all of them. We have this section called pull requests, and then I can use this drill down just to change the number. I can select some sort of project, some specific projects. I can click over here and this will select that specific project, and then you can see like in the graph, where is that? So let's click outside just to, and also I have the author, which means the person who is pushing the commit and the pull request to the project. So let's start doing some query over here. If I select only top 10, I can see the top 10 of each repository on those organizations, like TheForeman and Catello. Baldirio, I would like to see only for Catello, so let's take a look. I can filter again. I'm still on top 10. I can see only Catello, and then there you go. We can see here Justin Sherry is the winner. Congratulations, Justin, because he has at this moment 2,417 pull requests merged. But believe me, Justin, you have much more, and we'll talk about this in a few. I can see Justin here as well, and what is the difference? We can see that his name is the same, however the email is different. So this is one thing that we learn when we start developing and contributing on different projects. Try to be consistent in your configuration, because eventually we have those different informations, and when we try to consolidate information like this, then we can see this kind of behavior. Okay, so specifically for Justin, I can click here, I can combine, and then I can take a look now in the total number. So 3,099 pull requests for Catello. Okay. All right, that's amazing. Under Catello, I would like to see some specific projects, not all of them. I would like to see Catello API, Catello CLI, and also Catello packaging. And then there you go. All the time that you add something, like the graph will reorganize automatically, and this is pretty great. This is automatic. You don't need to do anything special. If I like to remove Catello because this is pretty huge, I can see that the second one will get like reorganized, and then we can see the information once again. Okay, great. Again, let me reset this view. I can click anytime here on reset view. Let me now use this slider. Let me select the foreman because now I would like to go on foreman. Now we can see that Ohad was the first one here, 1,519 pull requests merged to this project. Thanks, Ohad. Then we can definitely use this slider. So look at that. I'm looking for someone that has at least 321 pull requests merged. And then we can see, like on the foreman, specifically for this project, we can see the top 5 here. And then we can see Marek Hulan with 409 or 409. Again, this is awesome, but I'm pretty sure that Marek has many more pull requests. So we'll talk about this one in a few. Another nice trick, if we select and eventually we clean up all the fields that we have. Let me return this one here. Now, so we can use this icon just to clean up all the filters that we have. See, now I can see in the big picture where that person or that subset is selected. Amazing. Let's click outside. Let me come back to this author. Let's click on the search. And then now we can type anything. So Marek. Let's use Marek Hulan as an example here. We can see different entries. We know that all of them are Marek, I am pretty sure. And then let's see the difference. Why we are seeing multiple Mareks. So let's keep on Catello at this moment only. And then we can see Marek Hulan, Marek Hulan, Marek Hulan, and Marek Hulan. What is the main difference here? This is, his email was at reddit.com, another email using igloonet.cz, another one using igloonet.cz, but check this out. This one has accent on A, this one has not. And this one over here is a fourth email. So yeah, at the end of the day, we can summarize all of them, and then this is a total of 106 pull requests merged to Catello. Okay, so let me do one more thing that is pretty interesting. This is the whole picture for Marek. How many pull requests? We can select all of them, and then eventually 3025 pull requests on different projects, and this is impressive. So if we just remove the filter, now we can see Marek around the globe or around the map, and then each project that he worked and pushed some specific number of pull requests. For this one specifically was 80, for this one was 48. Again, different accounts or different emails or name, but you can see like And here is the total number, like 3,000. 3,025 is the total number. Again, anytime you can click on reset. And let's do one more search because this is fun. I was talking to my friend Chris Robert, and this is another example that we can see like different emails. But at the end of the day, definitely we can work on that and realize how many pull requests for each project or independent projects, you know. So once we select all of them, we can see 516. This is also amazing. And basically I created this one because I was curious about my number of pull requests. And then I look at that. I'm not out. I'm in the same way. This was in the beginning when I start working with Git. And then again, I can do the filter here. And I have the total of 9. Impressive, I'm pretty sure. But I'm going to bump this number real soon. So again, anytime, reset view. Let's come back to the original state. If you like to do some additional search, select the project, play with the slider. You can definitely add this one. And you can see like those numbers, those people, different projects. This is definitely pretty nice. So that's it for now. If you have any question, feedback, I'll be more than glad to receive it. Feel free to send me via email or in the channel. Feel free to use the description below to add any comment that you'd like to. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and see you in the next video. Bye.